Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss how to fix Dell Inspiron that won't turn on. Let's dive in. The first step is to perform a hard reset. Unplug the AC adapter and disconnect any external devices. Press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds to discharge any residual power. Reconnect the AC adapter and try turning the laptop on again. Step 2. Check the AC adapter. Inspect the power cable and connector for damage. Test with a different charger if available to rule out a faulty adapter. Ensure the connector pin is not bent or broken. Step 3. Test the battery. If the battery is removable, take it out and try powering the laptop with just the AC adapter. Step 4. Run diagnostics. Press F12 during startup to access the boot menu. Then select diagnostics to check for hardware issues. Step 5. Reset the RTC. Power off the laptop. Disconnect the adapter and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Reconnect the adapter and try again. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.